Really. Up until like 8 or 9 years ago, my life was decided for me. Okay, you're gonna go to this school, you're gonna go to this university, you're gonna go to this military, right? And then I'm like, I remember last half a year of uni, I started like really thinking, okay, well, I'm finishing uni. I know I'm gonna go to the military for 6 months, but so what am I gonna do after that? And then I really started to think, okay, well, I need to make money. How am I gonna do it? Okay, I can do it through the internet. Then I started learning. At 2021, that's when I really started to take matters into my own hands. And that's when I started to take responsibility for my own life. And that's when I really started to learn how to be an adult, how to do adult things, how to provide value, how to make money. So yeah, and how did I fall into it? And then I just started researching how to make money online, and that's how I ended up here. I did I did many different things. I wanted to have the freedom, right? So the reason why internet is freedom. Coming back to that motivation question you asked, now I'm reconsidering because it feels like my biggest motivation was freedom. After all, from the very start, I saw my dad, like having factories and so I was like, okay, I don't want to have that. I don't want to be tied into one place. I always have to come back to it one place and yada yada yada. So I wanted to be flexible. I wanted to be like able to work anywhere in the world. And this was like back in 2017 or 16. And then I started just researching like how to make money online. Different gurus popped up on the internet. I started following like what they do. A mistake I did was I didn't do what they did. I did what they said. And that's the thing you need to learn. Don't do what they say, do what they do. So what I should have been doing from the very start was learning how to make content, building out my personal brand, building out my site, building out an email list, creating digital products. That's what I should have been doing from the very start. But instead I took the hard route of learning a gazillion different things. I guess I had to learn them one way or the other. But I feel like I'd taken a much harder path. Like I had to learn everything the hard way, which I did. And now I'm in this building stage, I would say. Yeah.